Further, it says, "Do it." She kicked her legs up and sat down on the bed with a great heave and complaint of springs, as she had done hundreds of times before, except that this time she did not laugh. "Say it, Daddy." "Well, we'll see. Now at least have a rest. Stay on the bed. You are a good girl." He closed the door and went downstairs. Claire had spread the newspapers and opened the paint can, and wearing an old shirt of his on top of her maternity smock, was stroking the chair rail with a dipped brush. Above him footsteps vibrated and he called, "Joan, shall I come up there and spank you?" The footsteps hesitated. "That was a long story," Claire said. "The poor kid," he answered, and with utter weariness watched his wife labor. The woodwork, a cage of mouldings and rails and baseboards all around them, was half old tan and half new ivory, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. And though he as well felt his wife's presence in the cage with him, he did not want to speak with her, work with her, and touch her anything. So now first let's see to the meaning of the hard words. Heave means to produce a sigh, to take a deep breath. Stroking means move one's hand with gentle pressure. Spank means to slap with one's open hand. And weariness means extreme tiredness. So in all these lines, now the narrator says that then she started throwing tantrums as she had done many times earlier, but this time she was not laughing or joking. She was being a bit stubborn. And then Jack told her to be patient and sleep, and that he would see to it the next day. Then he then asked her to stay on the bed and he closed the door and went out of the room. He then waited downstairs and saw his wife painting the walls, and she had opened the paint can and spread the newspapers and was wearing an old shirt of his over her maternity dress. She was painting the chair rail, and suddenly he again heard the footsteps above, and shouted that did Joe want a beating? The sound of the footsteps started vanishing now. Then Jack's wife told him that it was a long story that he was telling Joe, and to that he replied, "The poor kid," and as he was feeling very tired, he just sat and watched his wife do all the work. Then he started looking at the woodwork around him and started relating it to his wife. And he was looking at it and thinking that although both of them, that is Jack and Claire, were caught in a cage-like situation in their marriage, and there was no solution to it, and neither did he want to talk to her nor speak or touch her. So this is all in the story. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.